coming to check out how many fish I caught. Alright, so we're trying to find some wonky holes, and I stumbled across this. This is looking pretty good. Yeah, there's got to be some fish down there. Let's give that a go. Can't really see what that is swimming down there. Maybe sharks or big trevallies, or what's down in the water there? That kind of looks like a shark. There's 1, 2, 3 of them just all hanging around the boat. Straight up. Tell you what, there's a lot of life down there. Alright, seems to be a good stretch of heaps of life at about that 18 metre depth that you'd expect to see wonky holes. There's a heap of bait around. We just did a couple of drifts before with this guy, didn't get any takers, but we'll try a little Lumo jig. See how we go with that one. Yeah, here's all these sharks again. There's big bait balls down here, so I must be in the right spot. Well, there's definitely heaps of life, heaps of bait, plenty of sharks, but I can't get anything to take the hook. So we might keep looking for some wonky holes, I think. Geez, I'll tell you, this looking for wonky hole stuff's pretty hard going. We're covering a bit of ground and plenty of bait around and bits and pieces, but I don't know. 1 hour in, no wonky holes. Maybe I'm just a bit too impatient. Well, no luck with the wonky holes, but we might go for a bit of a trial, see if we can get some mackerel. I wonder if that might be a nice little spot to camp. Got a little beach up here too. I'll have to check it out later. Just had the most insane hit. I don't think I've ever heard anything peel the line quicker off this rod than that. I'm getting excited. Yeah, we got something little. Oh, I got a little bit of run in it. Alright, let's get this clicker off. Alrighty. Oh. What do we got? What do we got? It felt a bit light at first. Doesn't feel like a GT. No head shakes. Alright. Mate, I might even be lucky. I mean, I don't want to jinx myself and say it, but I mean, if I was lucky enough to get a mackie, then I don't know. That would be pretty damn good. It's floating on the top over there. Oh, but not be a shark. Hang on. No, what's this? Oh, it's a cobia. Oh yeah, that's alright. Decent size too. Yep. Alright. Cobia it is. Can't believe how little this guy fought for his size. He's a big fish. Struggling a bit here. Struggling for room too. Let's get this gaff. He's hooked nicely. Oh, you bastard. Get back here. Oh, this is fast turning into a lesson in how not to do it. I probably could have gaffed him twice by now, realistically. He might be too big for me, eh? I can take some home though. Yeah, so he's got that single hook's got him. There we go. Holy f***, what happened there? Oh shit, I'm about to lose my gaff too. Holy shit. Wow. I nearly lost my gaff handle. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Mate, that was a hell of a lot harder than it should have been, that's for sure. No, he's too big. Too big. He's got to go back. He has to. He's got to go back. Hopefully he'll be right. Looks like we might be going hungry. It's starting to run out of light, and yeah, I had to throw the cobia back. It was just too big. I don't know. This is looking like the end of it. We might have one, or I don't know. I'll have one more trial back that way, and alright, give the old squid light a go. See if we can't pick up a couple of squid for dinner as soon as I throw away my fish. Oh, there's a few squid coming around. Let's just see if we can actually land one. Oh, day 2. I'll have to keep trying to find some wonky holes. Anyway, I'll report back if there's anything interesting. Just trolling around looking for a wonky hole, and I don't know, we trolled something up. I have no idea what it is. Sort of hoping a nice little tuna or something like that would be nice, because I've got quite a few ceviche, poke and poke mixed recipes that I want to do. So fingers crossed. See how we go. Last fish was too big. I think this guy's probably too small. Yeah, that's definitely a school mackerel. So he's only got to be 50. So turns out he's not too small. He's actually perfect size for me. Well, there you go. I don't know. Maybe I should just make the ceviche now. We can do that now, and then I don't know, do a bit of a hook up at the island. Maybe that's a better idea. Alright, that's enough wonky hole hunting. I've had enough. I'm gonna have to go to the reef at this rate. Let's do up a coconut hoki mix. Sort of like a ceviche, kind of like a hoki or poke mix, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, alright. Let's what have we got? I've got some parsley there, got some lime, got some garlic, some ginger, a bit of chili, brown sugar, a bit of fish sauce, and a bit of onion. Be a pretty chilly mix, this one. A little bit of onion. Don't really want to worry about too much onion. Just a couple of thin little slices. Probably be enough. Alright, let's do it. Start getting some of those juices in there. I'm going to get a little bit of fish sauce, a couple of tablespoons, that's probably teaspoons or tablespoons, thereabouts. Alright, go a little bit of ginger, not too much. Try and get more. Okay. A bit of a mix around. Ginger infused. That smells good already. Alright, there we go. Brown sugar. Excuse the fingers. Let's try that to start with. and some garlic. Chop this garlic up relatively finely so it soaks through and we don't get any big chunks. Definitely not the most idyllic camp kitchen cooking. Could be over on the island, but I think we might just get this done up here, and we might just start heading out to the reef. Alright, that's about everything. We just got to get the coconut cream in there, I believe. Alright. So we're going to make a pretty big one. Oh, it's probably a little bit too much actually. Bugger. How's that looking? Oh, yum. Yeah, that's really nice. What am I doing? I've got to put the garlic in there yet. Yes. Don't forget the garlic. There we are. That's much better. Alright, there we go. So this is a little bit of a different one. Usually a lot of people just do the more soy sauce based ones, or just lemon and lime and that sort of thing, but yeah, this is probably a bit more of a South Sea Islander type version with the coconut milk. So yeah. Alright, ready for the fish. Try and cut this as thinly as we can. We're going to cut a little bit of fish up this time. I think I actually overfilled the jar a little bit too much, so what I'll probably do is put this little bit in first and give it a bit of time to cook, and then after I've eaten that bit, then I'll put a little bit more in. Then I might top it up with a little bit more lime, I think. I'll chuck this in, and if I've got room to chuck a little bit more lime in, I will, because that'll help cook it as well. There we go. Let's try that. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, it's about perfect. I could put a little bit more in there. Actually, I'll tell you what. Let's top that up. A tiny bit, with a little bit more lime. Let's just go another lime. Yeah, accidentally slipped on the coconut cream a bit there. That's all right. Alright. There we go. That's going to look a little bit better. I can see those chilies in there. Very nice. Alright. Oh, beautiful. Alright, there we go. So we'll let that sit for a while. Alright, we'll get back to that. Yeah, we might give it, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Let's just start moving. There's not much happening here. I think I'm addicted to trolling. I don't know, coming up past this little point here, it's probably not a bad spot to troll. I mean, I've got a little fish there to eat, but I don't know, I just can't help myself. Alright, a little bit more of a scenic, well, not really kitchen, but maybe restaurant this time than where we were before. But yeah, time to give this guy a go. Oh, it's probably been a good half hour now. Alright, I can't really see it that well. Anyway, alright, now we're looking. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, yum. Wow, that is like a Thai coconut curry. That, wow. Oh, check that out. Wow, yeah, I'm glad I put the extra lemon, lime in there. That, oh, it's got a nice tang to it. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you haven't tried that one, definitely give that a go. I know everyone does the more soy-based ones, but I tell you what, that is just like eating a beautiful coconut Thai curry. Oh, love it. All right, batch number 2. That was so good. Oh, hopefully we get all this in there. Oh yeah, we'll just get in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, bit of a trip update. This was supposed to be or was going to be a solo mission, living out of the boat for 3 days. Just got off the phone. A friend's gonna head up this way in his tinny, so I was gonna head out the reef now, but gonna meet him tonight at the islands. We'll camp there for the night, and then we'll both head off and spend tomorrow night out the reef. So yeah, we'll just keep playing around the islands for today, and yeah, it should be a good day and night and following day to come.